How? This video got 1900 likes. It didn't start that way. It began as a quiet upload at the end of 2025, dropped into a world where AI tools shift daily and creators chase signals that vanish as fast as they appear. But something strange happened. The algorithms in the fractal zones picked up a pulse, small at first, then louder, like the weather changing from storm clouds to cars and dogs floating over night clocks. People found it. They shared it. They watched the whole thing. Maybe it was the producer AI music generator. Maybe it was the Kling AI 2.1 visuals. Maybe it was the YouTube growth strategies woven into the structure. Or maybe the maze just opened at the right moment. All I know is this: 1900 people press like, and that means the system works. So if you ever wondered what it feels like to get 1900 likes, 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 qualified watch hours, watch the video until the end and hit that like button again.
Oh, peace out!